Okay, everybody, this reaction is going to be very, very simple to do. What I've got here is 4 mils of concentrated sulfuric acid that is dissolved in 300 mils of water. What I've got here is 15 grams of the sodium thioantimonate that I made in the previous video, dissolved in 250 mils of water. The protocol says that you can add a little bit of sodium hydroxide to this if the solution is cloudy, but mine turned out okay, so I don't know. I mean, it's definitely sodium thioantimonate, but mine turned out crystal clear, so cool. Alright. Or that just means that it's already really alkaline. Well, we'll see how this goes. The way it reads, it is just as simple as combining these two things together. Like that. Okay. It looks very much like the antimony trisulfide that I made before. Well, whatever. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, yeah, the reaction is supposed to produce hydrogen sulfide. I can definitely smell it now. I think the shade may be ever so slightly different from my antimony trisulfide, but I don't know. I don't know that just by at a glance that I would be able to tell them apart. Oh yeah, that is a lot of hydrogen sulfide. Yum. Alright, well, now the protocol says to let this settle so that we can carefully decant off the liquid. It says that it is difficult to filter, I guess. So we'll let it settle to decant off as much of this solution, then try to filter it off and dry it. Okay, despite the copious amounts of hydrogen sulfide this shit is giving off, I had to bring it in here because it's about to start pissing rain. I'm going to keep this brief. As you can see, I'm filtering it off now. It was taking forever to settle out, and it looked like the particles were fairly decent size, and I mean, I haven't encountered any problems just filtering them off like normal. You can see that the filtrate is this cloudy solution. Well, suspension, I guess. It looks like there's almost like some solid particles suspended in it. I'm not sure what they could be. All I'm going to do is let this continue to filter, then I'm going to rinse it with some deionized water a few times, and then I'm going to take it out here and dry out the product. So I will come back then. Okay, everyone, this is it. All I did was I filtered it off, rinsed it several times with water, pressed it dry, and then dried it out in the desiccator. It took 2 days to fully dry, but this is what I've got. You can see it's considerably darker than what we started out with, and that's the way it's supposed to be. In the synthesis protocol that I was going from, it specifically says that it will get darker as it dries out. So, I mean, so far as I can tell, everything worked perfectly. I don't really know what you could actually use this for. I mean, antimony trisulfide is used in a lot of pyrotechnic mixes. Maybe this stuff could also be used in pyro mixes. I don't know. Leave it in the comments. Tell me what y'all think. What is this stuff actually good for? Beyond just being a very cool antimony 5 compound. So anyway, if you liked that little video, give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, well, I'm sorry you're so dead inside. Subscribe, comment, share the video, donate a few bucks to PayPal if you can. And until the next one, y'all, I will see you later. That is really fucking cool. It really is.